Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has said that the growth of the country would remain incomplete without the development of the Northeast. He said this while addressing the 21st convocation of the Dibrugarh University in Assam. Over 3,200 Indians have been evacuated from Sudan so far under Operation Kaveri. The National Investigation Agency has conducted searches at multiple locations in Jammu and Kashmir in the Pakistan-backed terrorist conspiracy case. Campaigning in Karnataka has reached feverish pitch with leaders taking whirlwind tour of the state after a roadshow in Kalburgi yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will resume campaign for Karnataka Assembly elections today. The country has reached more than 3,300 new cases of COVID in the last 24 hours.